back to my channel, and today I'm going to reacting another Madifor song. Yes, and with the title Sana Taloy. Yeah, Sana Taloy. Sung by Chan Nindo. Nindo or Nindao. Correct me if I'm wrong to pronounce this last name of Chan. Okay, and then featuring Brandon Coman, and official music video. This is 1 year ago. Okay, so let's see or let's watch this. So let's enjoy this music. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, a bit. Hi. Sana Taloy.
Taloy nang gikong chimakolda Mona lakpa irawan bay githamoy kang falda Thambala shana na yom charang patki aida Nong jabira lay chil hitong nong khaklo na puramba Yaw jage in jage taklo nang gi mong shilik lamda Pugihu paloy na chage nong le kum kan loi kum ja ma shu oi kino lau kino ma lang saktam nang na bu oh sen la ge nang bu kum ja khai vik su oh kai dong no nang na pa me la ma shu oh sen la ge nang bu matam khai vik su Sharga gi malim malhau na biriba chekla sayondo Kohu kong na falgon ta haudo liba chekla sayono Jum jum tau riba lechu gi ma folak ta hut na lo na lakpara Taguk taring lak liba nung shiye gi shai to na tam na rak liba Apong bahay na ingay nung shika lalake Oh hirak na
It's done. Okay. Alright, that was the Sana Taloy music video by Chan Nendo. And I noticed this how clear and very relaxing sounds is. No, I enjoy. I very enjoy this music when when they start the music. I cannot speak because I don't know what feeling it is for me. And yeah, I'm so happy to hear that song and that's music. And I love also the video quality. Every shots of this music, it's very clean and very professional. Wow, congratulations guys. And I want to know who's this lady in this music. She's very beautiful. Very beautiful lady. Who's this lady? Yeah, that was for today, guys. And yeah, thank you for enjoying this music. And I hope you can share this reaction video to your friend, one Filipino reacting music video of Manifor. Yeah, and hello to Manifor people there. I love to know you, all of you. I know I have some friends there in Manifor state in India. I mean, what's this? What part? Northeast India. Yeah. So thank you so much guys for having me here to react your video and music video, and see you in another reaction video. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, see you on next reaction video, and God bless you all. Thank you and bye bye.